Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to open widget settings on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the app drawer on your smartphone, and once you open the app drawer, you will find the option for widgets. Just tap on it. From here you can find the widgets of your smartphone. From here you can set the default widgets of the Vivo phone to your home screen. Just drag it to set it on your home screen, just like that. And also you have the option for widgets from the apps on your smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can open widget settings on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.